An enclosed lean-to on the back side of the building. Well, this is a first for WolfSteel Buildings and for our design team. Don't miss out this 38 by 60 red iron weld up out there in Boerne, Texas. Hey Pack, welcome back. It's Erik from WolfSteel Buildings, and today we're going to showcase a red iron weld up out there in the small town of Boerne, Texas. Now, if you're not familiar with that town, it's just north of San Antonio. Again, we only serve the state of Texas. But if you're new to the channel, stick around because we do provide lots of valuable information regarding pricing, regarding tours, and educational videos, all right? So if you're looking to add extra storage or have a workshop area, this is the perfect video for you, okay? So I suggest you guys hit that like, that share, that sub, and that notification bell to stay updated on everything WolfSteel Buildings, all right? Let's get this tour started. All right, Pack, just as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we'll talk about four main topics. Number one would be the total project cost to make this happen, right? Number two, I'll walk you through the building and all the accessories and all the cool features that entails this building, right? Number three, I'll break down the cost from the first phone call to the last bolt. And lastly, we'll compare it to our tubular option, all right? So let's get number one out of the way. The total project cost for this red iron metal workshop is $133,959 with 90 cents. Now, this includes everything that our client got with us, right? Which is the 38 by 60 full I-beam red iron metal building with an enclosed lean-to on the backside, which is very cool. That's a very cool design. Hopefully you're watching those cool shots on camera. We got the 3-foot overhang all around the building. We got the gutter system, the 3 overhead doors. We have the steel walk-in doors. We have the windows, concrete, equipment, labor, taxes, material delivery, and all the added customizations. In other words, this is the final price. Again, that's $133,959 with 90 cents. Remember, Pack, this price is only valid 5 days after post date. All right, Pack, let's get topic number two kicking, which is me walking you through the building. I'll be talking about the main section of the building, which is the 38 by 60. It's roughly around 2,280 square foot. If my math is mathing, as the young people say. Again, it's 38 by 60, 15 foot on leg height. We have an upgraded roof pitch from our standard 312 to a 412 option. Again, Pack, we do 312s all the way to 612s. Keep that in mind. Another cool feature about this building, which is one of my favorites, it's that 3-foot overhang. If you guys take a closer look on the soffit of that 3-foot overhang, this is where the added materials go into play, the extra labor. There's a lot of meticulous work that goes behind the scenes to make this happen. All right, we need skill, labor, and a lot of craftsmanship goes behind to make that beautiful work on that 3-foot overhang. Now, if we're looking at colors here, we have ash gray on the roof, sides and ends. That is vertical panels. This is our 26 gauge PBR paneling, which comes with our 40-year warranty. Keep that in mind, Pack. Going back to it, we do have charcoal gray on the two-tone wainscot, the trim, the gutters, and downspouts. Also, something that I forgot to mention regarding the overhang, in this case, it is a 3-foot overhang. Something that adds, aside the aesthetically pleasing for our client, is that it provides erosion control. When it rains, you get all that water just to wash away, right? It's not splashing just underneath your base trim. All right, Pack, let's dive into more of the building. We're gonna talk about the 3 overhead doors and the 3 steel insulated doors, all right? The first two, which caught my eye as soon as I pulled up, I know it caught your eye in the thumbnail as well. One of them is painted gray and the other one is white. The original color that we sold to our client was white. I'll put the picture of the paint he's using, the type of paint that he is using. If you're wondering about painting your doors as well, where here's the sign, you're welcome. But they do look nice. I really like the mismatch color, but eventually they will all be that grayish color. But anyways, we have a 12 by 12, which is the one on the left, and then the 14 by 14 on the right hand side, on the front side of the building, right? Fortunately, our client has not run his electrical yet, because I would love to show you how they open and close. They do come with openers and the MyQ app, which is very useful to have. This very cool app that you can download on your phone, on Google Play and at the Apple Store. Now, going back to the steel insulated doors, we do have one on the left hand side and one inside the building that connects to that enclosed lean-to. I'll be talking about that later. Again, Pack, that's a 36 by 84. These do come standard on a red iron option, right? And you can also have them in your tubular buildings as well. There's another option, which is the 4 wide, aside from the 36 inch. All right, Pack, let's dive into the enclosed section, which is the lean-to, right? Very cool design. Shout out to our planning and design team. Good job on that one, guys. But let's get these dimensions. It is a 12 by 35. We do have 12 on the low side and 13 on the high side. Also, it does include 3 36 by 36 double pane windows. Aside from the windows is the 2 doors, right? One of the doors connects the main section to the lean-to, and then the other one for another point of entry or exit. But something very cool about that one is just on top of it, we have a customizable awning. Now, if this is something that you're looking to get, please make sure you talk to your sales rep first if it's something that we can accommodate depending on your area. All right, so moving forward, we'll talk about the gutters and downspouts, which they do come in our colored charcoal gray. They run all throughout the building. This is very good to have if you want to keep water or erosion control. But let's break down the cost, right? I'm gonna give you guys the building cost alone, which is everything that I just mentioned: main building, enclosed lean-to, the 8 windows, the 3 on the lean-to and the 5 on the main building, the 3 doors, the steel insulated doors, which is our 36 by 84, and then our 3 overhead doors, which is 2 12 by 12s, and then the other one is a 12 by 14 with openers. We also have that 3-foot overhang all throughout the building. We have that customizable awning, and then we also have the gutters and downspouts, right? Oh, and the upgraded roof pitch. So the project for the building alone, with everything that I just mentioned, comes out to $98,992.90. Well, Pack, there you have it. That's building alone. Let's dive into the concrete. Now, for this concrete, we did a 4-inch concrete foundation for the main section of the building, which is a 4-inch. It does come with our perimeter footers and a cross internal beam for added support. Now, for the enclosed lean-to section, that is a 5-inch concrete foundation and the matching perimeter footers and the cross internal beam. Now, that total comes out to $34,967 with 0 cents. All right, Pack. So for topic number 4, we'll do the red iron versus tubular in regards to pricing, right? I'll put the red iron on the left-hand side and everything that comes with it. Same thing for the tubular. We'll put the price and then we'll list everything that comes along. You're looking at a total project cost for the tubular option is $129,989 with 0 cents. And for our red iron, we're looking at a total project cost of $133,959 with 90 cents. One of the things I do want to clarify, Pack, is for the tubular option, we can't provide the 3-foot overhang. We can only go up to 1 foot. That's for the tubular option. For the red iron, the highest we have done so far is 3 feet. One of the major factors, I know you're saying that the tubular should be a little bit less expensive, but in this case, it is considered a wide span, right? We're looking at 35 wide. Anything greater than 31 is considered a wide span. And what does that mean? Extra material, extra labor, and then you get the equipment charge. On the red irons, it is an automatic charge to have an equipment, right? But for our tubular options, anything less than 30 and with a 12-foot of leg height, no equipment is required. But in this case, we do have a leg height of 15. That's an automatic charge for equipment. And on top of that, it's also considered a wide span. So I'm gonna drop 2 videos in the link for you, right? The video that Ernesto and I made regarding lengths and widths, and then the other one Abdel and Anadela made, 5 pricing factors in regards to your tubular building. I really highly suggest you watch those at home. They're very, very educational. All right, Pack, I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough with pricing on this red iron project. Aside from that, we compared it to our tubular option. Hope you found that very valuable information. Again, Pack, we only serve the state of Texas, but if you happen to live outside of our service area, hopefully this information helped you as well on your journey on getting a metal building and what can you expect and the many cool features that you can design and make your building a reality. Again, Pack, we do count with 6 different sales pack team members. That's the Dream Team, the Alpha Wolves, the Shadow Wolves, the Texas Lobos, the Quote Busters, and let's not forget the A Team. They would be more than happy to help you out. Please give them a call if you're looking to get a building in our service area, all right? Again, Pack, let's not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on all WolfSteel building videos. Again, this is Erik, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.